morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get that perfect green screen key in Adobe Premiere Pro. So if you're watching this using your laptop, for example your MacBook, please stay in the video because even though I'm using my Microsoft OS right now, it's literally the same process, okay? So with this one, I want you to click on the Windows option right here. Make sure the effects controls and effects section are both enabled. After doing that, just pull up the video or stock footage we're trying to edit, drop it right there. Just wait for it to load and we're good to go. Now with this one, as you can see, this is gonna be a free video that I got from the internet. I'm just gonna use this one and drag it again over there. I think I accidentally deleted it earlier. Perfect. Now the next thing I want you to do is gonna be clicking the specific output or rather media over here and making sure you're gonna see opacity, clicking this little icon that's called free draw bezier, which is actually gonna be a little pen icon over here, clicking it and making sure we're gonna create a mask here. Okay, I'm just gonna click 25% or 50% to make sure I cover everything up, and basically I'm just covering this woman in the mask or armor. I'm gonna call it armor. Okay, so basically it's not a perfect mask, I know, because this is gonna be an efficient way to cover everything up. Okay, so next one is gonna be clicking this option right here, which is effects, making sure I'm gonna type in ultra. You type it ultra key as well. You're gonna see this option right here, drag it on the media. Now a little tip for you guys: if you're seeing the black cross on your screen beside your cursor, that means you're hovering perfectly above the media. Now if you're hovering just above it or just below it, you're not gonna see the black cross icon, rather you're gonna see this top black icon. Okay, you don't want to see that, so hover a little bit more to see that black icon, rather black cross icon. And then the next thing you want to see is this FX logo will turn green. That means you perfectly placed that Alt key. Now nothing has changed that much except this option here. We've just added Alt key section. Next thing is clicking this eyedrop logo. I'm going to click eyedrop and making sure clicking it over here. Now before I proceed, I'm just going to turn off my highlight for my cursor because it's literally affecting it, the output. Okay, now here's where it's getting interesting. For MacBook users, click and hold the command button. As you can see, the dropper or this little dropper turns big. Now for the same as me, OS users or Windows users, click the control button, and as you can see, the dropper is getting enlarged while you're clicking that keyboard. Okay, so I just wanna click the edge here, making sure that I cover the list highlighted of green, and in a few seconds I'm gonna show you the magic. Okay, the green screen has been perfectly removed and I have a raw footage of this woman having no green screen. Okay, so that's how you do this one. That's how you get a perfect green screen keying in the Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys with the next one.